One of the common, frequently asked questions we get from clients as well as prospective clients is, how long is my car accident case going to take? Well, it really depends. It depends on a lot of factors. Basically, if a case turns out to be relatively small, for example, you get 3 months of medical care, we obtain the medical records, we send a settlement package to the insurance adjuster, and then as a client, you tell us, I'm fine now, I don't want to have any more treatment, it was just a little fender bender. Well, what we could do is we could then begin negotiating after 3 months, maybe 4 months of physical therapy, and have the case settled perhaps within 6 months from the date of accident. But on the other hand, if you have a serious injury, if at first you have, let's say, a herniated disc, and then later you end up getting treatment for that, including maybe pain management, injections, and then end up having a spinal surgery, well, now, if there's a large insurance policy, let's say there's a $2 million insurance policy, we wish we could just call the insurance company and say, tender the $2 million, just send us a check, 5 months after the accident. But unfortunately, that's not how it works. They want to do more of an investigative delve into the case and do more of an investigation and really do their due diligence and make sure everything is proper, as well as, they want to send you to their doctors and do depositions and look into the liability and the damages. So because of that, we have to litigate, and filing a lawsuit, going through discovery, that could take a little bit longer. That could take maybe a year to 2 years or more, depending on the insurance company involved, depending on the venue, depending on the judge. There are a lot of factors that come into play. But basically, that's one of the major differences between whether a case could be done quickly versus whether a case takes a lot of time. A case could be done quickly if it's a minor injury that we could settle, and if there's a disagreement about the value and about the amount of compensation that the insurance company is to pay out, well, then we have to do the litigation, which is like going to war and fighting with them, and that could take anywhere from like a year or a little bit longer than that to come to fruition.